Here we are in Cairns, and we're just really excited to hit the roads here, and got such a grouse crowd here to cheer us off. It's quite exciting.
I mean, you ask what's good about Cairns, but what's bad? What can I say? Absolutely stunning.
You ask what's bad? His haircut. We started to go fun.
Go again. Look, the mullet's back again. I refuse to cut it because of him. Oh, man with the camera.
Have you seen where you're parked? Let's just say you're not meant to be running.
That hairdo is a disability, and it does not work with sweat. Look at it.
What's wrong with the haircut? I mean, the hair. Actually, quite a challenging day, really. Bit of fun, but so many turns, and like the first time I've actually been really, really thirsty at the end of the stage on the way up Gillies. Quite different to Tassie, or even High Country for that matter. It's just tight and twisty, perfect for a little Lotus.
Yeah, we definitely had to have our wits about us, and there wasn't many breaks.
We've had a wonderful day.
Eventful. I don't know, wonderful, eventful. He's definitely kept me excited, eyes very large, and I've got large eyes anyway, but very large.
So it all started very, very well, pumped, hoping to catch up with a bit of time, and well, unfortunately did a little bit of an excursion, but the good news is I didn't damage my car. It's in perfect shape, just got dusty.
Beautiful, spun like a ballerina, and a gentle landing in the guinea grass, I found out it was called today. Very tall grass on the side of the road. Unable to get back on the road though.
Mary's not heavy enough. Hop in the boot, Mary. Let's see if we can back out. No. Back wheel's off the ground about a foot and a half. Well, that was no good. After the spin, of course, it took us out and we lost the stage, so that puts us back in the run. And so we just took it easy and had a bit more fun and relaxed run through the end of the day and just chilled out, really.
I haven't seen crowds like this for a long time. The enthusiasm from the locals has just been absolutely fantastic. People are stopping us everywhere. I mean, we're seeing posts on Facebook about, oh my God, I saw this car in town today. People are coming up to us and asking how we're going. The support is absolutely amazing. We haven't seen this sort of support in a long time.
Targa Fest here is good. What an event, eh? First time up here was very good. Quite hot up here though, I don't know if I can handle it. The stages were fantastic, you know, these skinny roads, they actually get narrow when you're going 200. You find that you've really got to stay on them and in between the guidelines. Good day today, we had a lot of fun, just settling down and no pressure, so it was really good. They love the Mustang, just Mustangs in general are just really a favourite. We're pretty proud to be driving one.